Lesson 4. Serve beverage order. Type of glassware used in bar and restaurant. The type of glassware in which a drink is served greatly affected its presentation. Yung uri ng glass ay gagamitin sa pagsaserve ay importante dahil nakakaapekto ito sa presentation o pagiging itsura ng alak. Pero sa ibang restaurant ngayon ay gumagamit na lang sila ng isang baso para sa iba't ibang uri ng inumin dahil nakakatulong to para makatipid sila at ma-manage ng mas madali ang glassware nila. Type of glassware used in bar. Collins o highball, 8 ounce to 16 ounce. Used for serving juice, aerated drink, gin, and tonics, and etc. Rock glass or tumbler, 6 ounce to 10 ounce. Used for serving drinks on the rocks. Whiskey or shooter, 1 ounce to 2 ounce. Used to single measure of liquor and shooter. Beer schooner, 12 ounce to 14 ounce. Used for pilsner and bottled beer. Mug beer, 12 ounce to 14 ounce. Used for 1/2 measure of draft beer. Beer pint, 1 pint. Used for serving draft beer. Beer wine or Bordeaux, 8 ounce to 14 ounce. Used for serving wine or all-purpose, 8 ounce to 14 ounce. Used for serving red wine and white wine. Champagne tulips or champagne flute, 6 ounce to 8 ounce. Used for serving champagne and champagne cocktail. Brandy snifter, 8 ounce to 14 ounce. Used for serving brandy and some cocktails. Sherry or port, 4 ounce to 6 ounce. Used for serving cherry and port wine. Liquor or cordial, 1 ounce to 3 ounce. Used for serving liquor and layer shooter. Cocktail or martini, 4 ounce to 8 ounce. Used for serving different variety of cocktail. Margarita, 6 ounce to 8 ounce. Used for serving frozen cocktails such as margarita, liqueurs. Hurricane, 10 ounce to 16 ounce. Used for long drinks such as Island, Ice, Zombie, and Hurricane.
Next is beverage services. First, full cocktail bar, wine, beer, specialty drink, variation and teams, and blended drinks. Next is non-alcoholic beverages services. First is juice and mocktail. Second, Italian sodas. Third, smoothies. Last is sodas and water. Next is cocktail garnishes. Garnishes are very important for your mixed drinks. They make your drink look more presentable and they also add more flavor. Next is the 6 main cocktail garnishes. First, cherries, olives, limes, lemon, orange, and whipped cream. Next is the cherries. Maraschino cherries are used for many mixed drinks and for non-alcoholic drinks. You can buy them at the store. They come in a jar ready to use. Make sure you refrigerate them over opening. Next is olives. There are many different olives in the market today. Some olives come plain and some come stuffed with pepper or other ingredients. They come in a jar ready to use. Make sure you refrigerate over opening the bottle. Next is orange. Orange wedges. Use the same technique as the lime wedges. Orange slices. Cut off the ends of the orange. Then cut the orange in half from one end to another. Cut both halves in half. Finally, out the orange quarters into wedges. Next is whipped cream. You can buy a cone of whipped cream at the store. There are some manufacturers that make chocolate whipped cream and fat-free whipped cream. Next is limes. A wedge is 1/8 of lime, lemon, or orange. In other words, there are 8 wedges in a lime, lemon, or orange. Lime wedges, cut off the end of lime. Then cut the time in half from one end to other. Next is lemon. Lemon wedges use the same techniques as the lime wedges. Lemon twist, cut off the ends of the lemon. Then cut the rind from the one end to the other, making 1/3 inch strips. Make sure that you don't cut into the meat of the lemon. Finally, peel the strip. And that's all. Thank you.